Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 just got released and you're right now probably looking for your Crosshair or the Crosshair center dot. So first you want to click on your settings, then you want to go down to interface. Click on interface and 3 main categories appear. You want to click on gameplay HUD. Down here on gameplay HUD you scroll down until the Crosshair tab. Then you can choose between on, off, static or center dot. I prefer the static Crosshair with a center dot, so click on show more and now you can select the Crosshair dot separately. Turn it on or off and then select your scale of the Crosshair. As you can see in the preview on the right, you have this largest Crosshair dot, the larger and the default small Crosshair dot. So click on larger, for example, then you can also customize your opacity of the Crosshair and down here the color. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.